Ambrodyl S syrup is an expectorant which consists of two main active ingredients. Ambroxol is a mucolytic which thins and loosens mucus or phlegm, making it easier to cough out. Whereas salbutamol is a bronchodilator which relaxes the muscles in your airways and widens. Together, they make breathing easier. Mainly used to relieve symptoms such as cough and congestion due to various respiratory tract infections or inflammation. Common side effects are headache, palpitations, upset stomach, tremor, muscle cramp, allergic reaction, increased heart rate. This syrup must be used with caution in diabetics as it can raise blood sugar.